To export an activity out of your Coros watch to any other device, you will need to pass through the Coros application. So first, visit the Coros application and reach the activity page at the bottom of the app. And then select the activity you want. So let's say, for example, this one. And on the upper right corner, you will have this share icon. From here, you can say export data, and you will have the choice of the type of file that you want: FIT, TCX, GPX, and so on. So if, for example, I want to export it as a FIT file, so I'm going to select this. And from here, you can simply download it to your phone and do whatever you want with it, or directly share it with another application. So if I say share here, I can send it by email or whatever. So basically, it will take the FIT file and put it into that application. I can say, for example, I want to share it with Dropbox, and it will be on my Dropbox on my computer. So select what you want and share the file with whatever you want. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.